Welcome back for another Playmo AF unboxing and review, friends. Today we are taking a look at Crocodile Dundee. Hello and welcome to today's unboxing and review video. Today we're taking a look at set number 71168, the Explorer with Alligator. This particular Special Plus Clicky came from our friends at Zen's Toyland in Tampa, Florida. Until April 30th, 2024, if you buy $50 worth of merchandise at zenstoyland.com, use discount code PlaymoAF at checkout for 20% off your purchase. Orders of $50 or more in the continental US will receive free shipping as well. Pick up new Playmobil, Lego, Calico Critters, plush animals, board games, puzzles, and more at zenstoyland.com now until April 30th. Alright, now checking out the Explorer with Alligator packaging, the clicky pictured here reminds me of the legendary croc hunter himself, the late Steve Irwin, whose televised escapades captured the fascination and admiration of many who would tune in to watch the beloved environmentalist and zookeeper educate them on some of the world's most exotic and dangerous animals, while often putting himself at risk of injury or even death, until an unfortunate accident involving a stingray ended his life during the filming of a documentary in 2006. Here, our clicky is geared up for an adventure of tracking down, recording, and documenting wildlife. In this case, an alligator, as seen to the right of him. To the right, we have a continuation of the front image. On the left is the Special Plus logo and barcode. Here's the top. Here's the bottom, warning you of the potential danger of choking on the small parts included in the set. The back shows more of those choking hazard warnings in various languages, and then we have all of the contents of the package photographed separately. Enough of the box details, guys. Let's crack this thing open and see what's inside. I will tell you, for one thing, I am very excited to have this, just because I don't know if you follow the Instagram channel, but I do have several pictures of, people hiking, that kind of have that adventurous appearance. I don't have a Indiana Jones type of clicky, which I've always wanted one, but these definitely fill in that hole for me. And let's see here. Let's go ahead and look at the alligator first, since it's the first thing coming out. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. I'm not complaining. Here, let's move that out of the way. That is pretty cool. That looks taller than a clicky, which we're going to pull out in just a moment. I do like this sort of brownish, purplish hue that it has going. And the green and yellow spots, it's okay. And the yellow eyes kind of give it this sort of menacing look. In fact, hey, this is one of the few occasions that we have a Playmobil animal with the eyes painted. And of course, they have to make it look demonic. And then his mouth, it looks like it opens. Yep, there we go. I might come back in here and paint his teeth white, just to give him a little bit more menacing look there. Here's our Explorer without the hat on. I did that on purpose, actually. I did want to compare the sizes. As you can see, the alligator is significantly taller and longer than the overall clicky. Clickies normally average about, what, 3 inches? Maybe a little less. And this guy is definitely a little taller, so that's a pretty neat scale, and pretty neat difference in size there. The only discrepancy I see with this figure, he's kind of beat up on the front. I know it's not coming up on camera. I'm trying to get the reflection to show it. But he looks like he's kind of scratched, like he's not very smooth. It's not terrible, but it's just not what I expect from Playmobil for our new toy. And then his shirt, I don't know how well you can see his shirt, but there's some of the white, it looks like it rubbed off, or it just wasn't painted or printed on as well as it could have been. Overall, I do like his colors, this brown shirt with the brown boots with a little bit of black on there, and then these khaki shorts. Very reminiscent of Mr. Steve Irwin and what he used to wear when he would do his nature and slash animal shows. There we go, with the brim upward. Very cool, very nice figure. He comes with a little GPS tracker, possibly maybe just a data pad of some kind, where he can look up locations and possibly various features of certain animals to determine, you know, who they are or what they are and what they do, what they eat, and things like that. What certain behaviors trigger them. And then he comes with a walkie-talkie. Okay, and here's our explorer with all of his gear. Whoops. Except his hat. Apparently the hat does not want to stick around. And the last piece he comes with is this big old slab of meat.
Well, g'day, mate. Fancy meeting you here.
Are you offering yourself as an edible human sacrifice to me?
Crikey, no. I'm here just to document you.
Oh, and what's in it for me?
How's a little slab of meat sound?
Well then, get on with it. Feed me, Seymour.
Right then, say cheese. Yeah, that's it. Look up here for me.
Come on now, I'm in the middle of eating. Ha ha ha. Don't forget my good side.
Gorgeous, gorgeous.
And that there concludes our unboxing and review of the Explorer with Alligator. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already for more Playmobil content. And check us out on Instagram. You can find us at playmo.af. And don't forget to visit Zen's Toyland for 20% off your entire purchase of $50 or more. Use discount code PlaymoAF. That's it, guys. Everybody, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you again very soon. Bye-bye.